Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share this beautiful party eye makeup, and I do this party eye makeup in this makeup board. I recently bought this, and this makeup board's quality is too good. You can do this both eye makeup in every party, and I am showing you this blue eye makeup in this video because I already uploaded this pink eye makeup tutorial in my previous video. I am in love with this blue eye makeup tutorial. This eye makeup is so gorgeous, and the pinkish eye makeup is pretty, but I love this blue eyeshadow. Let's get started the video. So firstly, I am using this Swiss Beauty concealer. That's my personal favorite. I use it as an eyebrow corrector and blend it very well. Then I am using this light brown shade. Then I am using this maroon shade and well blend it. Then I use my favorite blue color in half cut piece. This pigment is very well. I blend it very well. I use this shimmery blue color. I use this color in my lower lash line in this makeup board. Lower lash line as a kajal. And look this color. It's amazing color. Then I use some glitter. Also I contour the nose and highlight nose and cheeks part. And the party eye makeup is done. This is an amazing eye makeup. These both eye makeup are totally amazing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.